Hello and welcome to biology class. This is a quick revision video which is related to the individual topic of the chapter, and in this video lecture we will start the revision of nutrition with 1 marks questions. In later part of video we will also discuss about the questions related to this topic in the form of short answer question as well as long answer question also, and we will also discuss some questions in the form of assertion region, which is the board type of questions. So this video also involve questions which are important for our board examination. So let us start with the first question. Our first question is multiple choice question in which there are 4 options, and the question is amoeba show following kind of nutrition. So here it is given there are 4 types of nutrition: autotrophic, holozoic, saprophytic and parasitic mode of nutrition. Here there are 4 types of nutrition given in the option: autotrophic, holozoic, saprophytic and parasitic. So as we have studied that amoeba can take the food from their outer medium with the help of pseudopodia. It means they can ingest the food. So the mode of nutrition which involve the ingestion process, it is the holozoic mode of nutrition. So amoeba do the process of nutrition by holozoic mode. The second question: which of these is not a part of small intestine? So here there are 4 options: duodenum, jejunum, ileum, and the fourth one is rectum. So as we have discussed in the description of the chapter, duodenum, jejunum and ileum, these are the 3 main parts of small intestine, and the only which is the rectum, it is not the part of small intestine. So our correct option is rectum. Rectum is the part of large intestine. Large intestine. So our correct option is rectum, or that is option number D. Next question. Question number third. The autotrophic mode of nutrition requires. So this is also a multiple choice question. So there are 4 options it is given: chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and the fourth option is all of these or all of the above. So the all the 3 options, that is chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, these are essential component of photosynthesis. It means the above 3 A, B, C 3 options are the correct option. It means we will choose the option number D, all of the above, because chlorophyll is light absorbing. It is the light absorbing pigment. Sunlight is the source of energy. And carbon dioxide and water are the raw material for photosynthesis, as we have discussed in our theoretical class. So our correct option is option number D, that is all of the above. Now the next question: amoeba capture food with the help of. So we have studied that amoeba produce a false structure which is known as pseudopodia, to capture the food as well as for locomotion. In amoeba, pseudopodia is the structure which is responsible for the food capturing, food capture and locomotion. So pseudopodia is the correct option, that is option number C is the correct for the given question, that is amoeba capture food with the help of. Now the next question, name the part of alimentary canal receiving bile from the liver. So we have also discussed in our theory class that bile is produced in liver, and after producing liver it also get stored in the liver in a special structure known as gallbladder, and then it release when it required in our alimentary canal for digestion. So release of bile take place in which part of our alimentary canal? So we have to choose the option from given option. So there are four options given: esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. So the duct of liver, which is known as hepatopancreatic duct, open into the small intestine. In small intestine, the duodenum part of small intestine receive the hepatopancreatic duct, which is a common opening for the liver as well as pancreas. So our correct option is small intestine. Now the next question in the form of descriptive. The earlier question are the multiple choice question, but here we will give the answer in descriptive form, and these questions also carry 1 marks. So the next question related to descriptive, the which part of visible spectrum is absorbed by chlorophyll pigment. So in the light of sun or sunlight, we have study in our, or you can study in the syllabus of physics, that spectrum of light consists of, white light consists of 7 color. So out of 7 color, the red and blue color, red and blue color spectrum of light is mainly responsible for photosynthesis, because this color of spectrum received by or absorbed by the chlorophyll pigment. So our correct answer will be the red and blue visible spectrum is absorbed by chlorophyll pigment. Now the next question, name the pigment present in plant which can absorb solar energy. So this question can receive the answer from the previous question, that is question number 7. So chlorophyll is the pigment that present in plants which can absorb solar energy. For the question number 8, the correct answer is chlorophyll pigment. Now the next question, that is question number 9. Food moves down the gut by peristalsis. So which region of brain control peristalsis? So this question is also related to the chapter number uh, 2nd in the biology, that is control and coordination. So on that place we also discuss this question. So here the medulla part of brain is responsible for the involuntary function, so peristalsis can be controlled by that portion. Now question number 10, what is the mode of nutrition in fungi and plasmodium? So in fungi and plasmodium, most of the fungi and plasmodium are parasitic in nature. All fungi are not the parasite, but most of the fungi are parasite. Fungi also perform the saprophytic mode of nutrition, but here we have to find out a common mode of nutrition for both fungi and plasmodium. So in that case, our correct answer will be parasitic mode of nutrition. The next question, give one example each of saprophytic and parasitic nutrition. So saprophytic nutrition is observed in fungi, while parasitic mode of nutrition observed in plasmodium. So we can also give the answer of this question from previous question. Now the last question, where does digestion of starch begin in our body? So beginning of starch digestion in our body take place in our mouth. As we have discussed or we have studied about the process of digestion in mouth, the salivary amylase release along with the saliva, and amylase is responsible for the digestion of starch. It converts starch into maltose, and maltose is a sweet sugar, and that sweet sugar, when we chew the bread in our mouth, we can feel sweetness, and that sweetness is due to the maltose sugar. So the digestion of starch is start in our mouth. So this is all about the important question related to our CBSE examination, board examination. And in next part of video, we will also discuss about the short answer type question related to the nutrition.